First, turn on your clicker by pressing the orange button. I already have my clicker set to AD, so it says Econ 3, and we know we're in the right class. We're ready to start polling. If this isn't what your screen says after you turn it on, hold the orange button until you get a blinking letter and it says set frequency. Now you should enter AD and you'll get a check mark. That means now you're set to the right frequency. It says Econ 3. That means you're set to our class and you're ready to start polling. Okay, the number 1 means the clicker is ready for you to enter your answer to number 1. For us, the answer is A. You enter A, you get a check mark. Check mark doesn't mean that your answer is necessarily correct. It means that you've entered an answer and the clicker has registered that answer. Okay, the second step here is to press up. When you press up, you get a number 2. The clicker is now ready for you to enter your answer to number 2. The answer is B. Again, the check doesn't mean correct. It means that if you've entered an answer. Now you go to 3, enter C. Once you've done all this, you're completely done. And the next step is just to wait for the poll to close. You can go back and forth once you've entered all these answers by pressing up and down. So if you press down, you go to 2, and you can change your answer by simply pressing another letter. For instance, A. See, the letter has changed to A. You can go up back to 3 and your answer's still there. If along the way you hit some other button by accident, let's say you press the right button. The right button is actually a different function. Now if you look at the C there, if I press up and down, I can change to different numbers and letters, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can press right and a different number. So this function is something totally different to enter a not one-letter answer. If you do this by accident, don't freak out, just press the blue button. This is an erase button. You're back to the original situation and you press C. Okay, so again, that happened because I pressed right by accident, but if you do something like that, just press the blue button and it'll clear your answer.